Uh-oh.
I want to do a little demo of actually spending Bitcoin. So the Wayback Machine, I tell you, I use the Wayback Machine all the time, and it's a lifesaver. So when I saw this donate button, I said, yeah, I should do that. It's a completely free service. I wanted to donate. So I clicked on donate, and I almost just went up here and gave them my credit card or Google Pay or something. And then I saw donate cryptocurrency. So I'm going to show you how that works. If I click on donate cryptocurrency, it asks which kind of coin, and I choose Bitcoin. And I get this QR code. What do I need on my end? I need some Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is held in a wallet. So, and my wallet is this one right here called Blue Wallet. And I have $547 worth of Bitcoin in there. But now how do I send some of that to the Wayback Machine, to the Internet Archive? I scan that QR code that came up on the screen. So I just tap scan, and now it's ready to scan that QR code. So I just point my phone at the screen and get that QR code. There, it just did it so fast. So I just pointed the phone at the QR code on the screen, and now I'll show you what's on my screen. And it says Bitcoin. Now, understand, one Bitcoin is worth about $42,000 right now. So I'm not going to put a number in there next to Bitcoin. I need to find dollars. And I think I'll give them $25. So I tap on there, put 25, and it tells me, okay, that will be 0.00059 of a Bitcoin. And it's going to that address that it got from the QR code. Now I can write a note to myself, donation to Wayback. Okay. And notice the fee, it says 28 cents. I think I can tap there, and yeah, that's even sending it fast. If I want to send it medium or slow, I will only be charged 9 cents. So I think I'll go there. Doesn't matter how quick it gets to them, as long as it gets to them. And done. And next. And send now. Did you notice that it didn't ask me for my name, my email address, my phone number, nothing? So I will not get a receipt for this from the Wayback Machine. They don't know who just sent them $25 worth of Bitcoin. It is anonymous. That doesn't mean it's untraceable. That's what's going on if you hear the news now. Bitcoin is on a blockchain. It is absolutely public, immutable, and traceable, but it's just a bunch of numbers. So it takes real detective work to figure out what number is attached to what person. But it is anonymous, and that's how it works. And if you want to know how to set up your own wallet and get some Bitcoin, it was that video 727.